I'm going to plot data. I want to show, at least go through how to do a graph. Some of you get it, some of you don't. For those who get it, I appreciate your patience. I'm just going to put in bogus data. All right. If this is, all right, so we're going to call this real and fake. Real has units of meters, and that should be a lowercase m. And fake has units of seconds. To plot it, insert. I'm going to do a chart. I want this chart right here, and I want that. I just want the points. I don't want any lines on it yet. Apparently I'm getting nothing. I have to select my data. My X values, I'm going to do real versus fake, so those are my X values. My Y values. Let me redo this one, because apparently it did not register all of them. Excuse me, I am thinking evil thoughts about Microsoft again. All right, so I have my data points there. There's this one weight over here. That's okay for the purposes. All right, so I need title and I need labels. I do quick layout, and that will give me a place to put in titles. I'm doing my real is the y-axis, so I put real versus fake. This is real in meters, fake in seconds. If I have more than one series, I need this out here, but if I have only one series, then I can just get rid of that. Now to put in a trend line, I right click, add trend line. It defaults to linear. I scroll down, display equation, display R squared value. So there's my equation. If I need to change the number of significant figures or the number of decimal points that show up, then I can highlight and I guess format data series. If not that. All right, do it slightly differently. Not letting me highlight that. Data. Well, apparently this version is not letting me do that. There we go. I don't know why I didn't show it before. Number, and then whatever format. That's 2 decimal places, or I put in 6 decimal places. And it changes the number of decimal places. Or if I went some other form. Anyway, a graph. I know some people are struggling with it, so, and since there's 2 plots that you have to do for the lab that you did on Tuesday, I at least wanted to go over that. And on that note, I'm letting you go 4 minutes early. Please do not rob a bank in that time. Because I'm going to mark you as president, and I don't want to give you an alibi. You'll have to go off and do dangerous things. And so